They were kicked out for being poor, but wait until you see their massive revenge. Karma is real.
The conductor threw them out into the cold streets just because they were a few dollars short. Absolutely heartless.
They laughed instead of helping. He'd never forget this face. Shivering in the rain, he vowed to change their destiny.
He begged for work, not charity. Just a chance to live.
Taking the toughest job. He grew up way too soon.
When he wanted to quit, his mother's tears kept him going. Bricks were heavy, but the burden of poverty was crushing. Grinding through the pain, he knew success was the only revenge.
It finally paid off. He saved every penny for this one moment. He bought her a dream car. Finally, the struggle was over.
Look at them now. They turned their pain into power.
The haters were left speechless. Karma never misses.